Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals in the house, guys. And this is a great time to be alive. And this is our Vietnam morning time update, guys. And we got the Brilliant Alien in the house, guys. A name change for one of our huge members, Mr. Brilliant in the house. So we got the Brilliant Alien in the house. Hope you're watching this video, Mr. Brilliant. And remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house, guys, expressing the opinion. This is totally for educational purposes. And guys and gals, what is going on? We had a huge hack on the Solana network. The markets are down. Doge is down. BD is down. Everything is down. What's going on? What's causing this huge, big dumpity dump, guys? We're just seeing almost like a 6% dump in the house, guys, and it's not looking pretty good. I know a lot of you are getting pretty anxious, pretty antsy in the house. So we're going to talk about what's causing the markets go down, what's causing it, what's the catalyst. We're also going to talk about the huge Solana hack. We've also got some huge new Shiba Inu bridging onto a huge layer 2 protocol. So we're going to talk about that. And we're going to look at the TA and all that kind of stuff, guys. So let's jump into it without any further delay. Let's get it, guys. And if you're watching for the first time, do not forget to go down there, subscribe, go back and watch all of our other videos, guys. You know you want it. Let's get it, guys. And you know, the other thing that's going on, don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. And also, call to action, guys. Call to action. Take this video link, paste it in your socials, Twitter, Facebook, whatever, WhatsApp groups, whatever you're using out there. Get the message out there for the OG, guys. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. We've got tons of merch. You know, it's Christmas time, so it's time to gear up with the OG merch. Get the love mug in the house. Get the backpackety backpack. We've got tons of stuff, guys. We got clothes. We got hats. We got hoodies. Check out the Weak Nancy stuff, guys. And you know, let's do it, guys. Let's jump into the content. So right now we're seeing that the fear and greed index is down, down. And you know, we're moving into more extreme fear. And some of the catalysts that caused that to happen was this whole negative news that came out that drove down the markets. We're gonna talk about that. So keep watching, guys. Keep watching, and don't click away. And if you feel like doing some clicky wickying, go down there and click the like button, guys. What are you talking about, and what are you doing? And don't forget to go down there and smash the subscribe button in the house. So, you know, remember, fear and greed index is a contra-indicative indicator, so you should be doing the opposite of this. So if everybody's fearful and this and that, you guys absolutely need to be doing the opposite, which is buying. And then we're going to show you more and more evidence that we're seeing that the supply shock and the supply of Bitcoin and Ethereum on exchanges is the lowest ever been in years and years and years, guys. So the whales are still gobbling up, and we're going to talk about the whales, and we're going to talk about, you know, Daryl, what are you talking about? You know, you keep talking about the whales are buying, but the price is not moving. So I'm going to tell you why this is happening, and you guys may not know this, and why that every time that a whale buys a whole ton of crypto, that the crypto market doesn't move. So we're going to talk about that. So it's safe enough to say that we got the huge extreme fear, guys. Never ever swim against the whales, because you will get wrecked out there. So guys and gals, we're seeing that, you know, one of the reason that all the markets went down, all the broader markets went down, the Dow, went down, the S&P, the NASDAQ went down, everything just went like a small little implosion. You know, this could be the whole big, you know, housing crisis that we had back in 2008 in the U.S. Remember that? That was a huge Debbie Downer event. So we're seeing something similar unfolding in China right now, and this is having a huge impact on the Chinese market. So China evergrande defaults on its debt. Now what? So the ratings agency's declaration confirmed what investors had already suspected, but they now must wait and see what the restructuring is going to be for Evergrande. I believe that Beijing is going to bail them out, guys. So we're seeing that you know, they were unable to pay their debt, and you know, there's like 300 billion obligations are out of there. So this could have a whole global impact on the whole broader markets, guys. So this is why we're seeing that the broader markets were down. This is why we're seeing crypto is down. We'll bounce back because this was kind of already printed in because we had this whole big scare before. So I think that we're going to bounce back pretty soon, guys. So, you know, let's talk about this. It's really important. So we're seeing right now that there's more and more evidence that we're seeing as the prices have fallen, dropping, as the prices have been dropping, we're seeing illiquid supply has been going up and exchanges reserves going down. Totally different from what happened in May. So you can see that in May, the total illiquid supply went down because there was a huge sell-off, right? But this time, even though Bitcoin price has been dumping, it's been driving me crazy. I mean, it's just been going range bound, it's been going sideways. It's making everybody absolutely crazy in the membrane. We can still see that the illiquid supply has been going up. So this is the amount of coins that are hodled, taken off exchanges. And the supply of Bitcoin for sale on exchanges is reached a 3-year low, guys. It's reached a 3-year low, guys. And what this means, you should be bullish. You know, what we're seeing right now is that, a lot of artificial stuff is happening. And, one of the big reasons, people saying, well, you keep saying the whales are buying, the whales are buying. They are buying. But remember, the whales buy over the OTC. And when they buy over OTC, they're not buying on the spot market on exchanges like Binance, FTX, Coinbase. So when they buy on the OTC, it does not have much impact on the prices on the exchanges because it's not seen. So, but what we're seeing right now is we're seeing that a lot of the retail investors are sitting on the sidelines and waiting. This is a big mistake, guys, an absolutely big mistake. You guys need to dollar cost average and pile into Bitcoin right now because it's going to have a huge pump, guys. So we're also seeing as the price has been dropping, illiquid supply has been going up on the exchange, reserves going down. Totally different from what happened in May. So this is a similar chart, but it's just shown in a different format. So we're seeing that once again, the illiquid supply is going higher and higher and higher. And this means that the amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum that you can currently buy is going down. And it's all being taken off the exchanges. Whales are buying on OTC. So that's why we're not seeing the price moving so much, guys. And there's just more evidence of that right here. This is another article that's just come out by Bitcoin exchange balance hits 3-year low. So it's at a 3-year low, guys. And I keep telling you this, and the evidence is in, and you can't deny it. You can't run away from it. And it's going down, down. So Bitcoin balance on exchange is low, guys. We've never seen it this low in 3 years. And we've never seen this phenomenon before in a bull run. And that is more indications that the bull run is over. Sure, Doge is down. Sure, Ethereum is down. Sure, Dogecoin is down, but it's down because Bitty is down right now. And we're going to jump into Bitcoin price in a second, guys. And some other news that's coming out right now. We're seeing that, we had this huge DOS attack on Solana. Huge attack. But luckily that the DOS attack, did not have a huge impact on Solana, and Solana was able to keep on going, and no Solana was lost. Nothing was lost. So Solana's blockchain performance was reportedly hit by a DOS attack over the last 24 hours. However, the network appears to have remained online throughout. So no coins were taken. Basically, the network was just slowed down because people kept sending messages to the server. Ping, 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 ping. And that means that basically DOS attack means there's so many messages, messages going to the server that they just overload the bandwidth of the server, and the server grinds to a slow halt. So this wouldn't be the first time that Solana has suffered this issue. Cointelegraph reported this in September and suffered a 17-hour outage. So luckily there was no outage, but the blockchain was slowed. It was slowed almost to a halt, guys. And this is going to cause delays on the blockchain. So if you had any Solana transactions, or you were doing anything on the Solana DEX platform, Radium, you would see that there was going to be a lot of delays before your coins were transferred or exchanged, guys. So don't panic. There was nothing lost. The blockchain was not hacked. It was just a DOS server, and a DOS attack is designed to slow servers out and make them have outages. That's all. But nothing was taken, guys. Some other news that's coming in. We're also seeing, Amazon Web Services was out and hits DYDX, raising concerns over decentralization. So as you guys know, that the Amazon Web Service is one of the biggest web services on planet Earth. Twitter's running on it, Facebook is running on it. A lot of these main platforms are running on it. But remember, Amazon Web Services are centralized. And this is the danger, because if Amazon Web Services goes down, a lot of these DEXs and a lot of these protocols are running on Amazon Web Service. So that's why we need Web 3.0, and we need it to be decentralized so we don't have to rely on Amazon. Because basically, if Amazon doesn't like something that you're doing, Amazon can hit a button and take you offline, boom, in a second. And we saw that happen with Parler. Remember, Parler was kind of a Facebook copy, similar to Facebook, but have different regulations and this and that. And remember, Parler was this whole head of controversy last year. And basically, AWS, they just pulled the plug on Parler and they're out of there. So that's why it's important that we need to have a lot of these DEXs and exchanges. They need to be on decentralized web services. And as it says here, unfortunately, there's still some parts of the exchange that rely on centralized service like AWS. So once we get Web 3.0, this is all going to change. It's all going to be decentralized and managed over blockchain. So we won't have so much decentralized web services. So this is going to be really good news. So this is some Shiba Inu news. So right now, Shiba Inu, you can now move Ethereum powered SHIB, because remember SHIB is the ERC token, to Avalanche. So that's really good. So you can use now Avalanche's DEX to exchange your coin. So Avalanche Bridge AB is adding new tokens that can now be transferred between Avalanche and Ethereum. So this is really going to be good, because it means that when you want to swap ERC token Shiba Inu to another token, particularly a non-ERC20 token, it means that the amount of fees you're going to be paid is going to be cheaper, and it's also going to be faster, guys. So easily transfer SHIB between Avalanche and Ethereum. The bridge is in. The bridge is in, guys. So this is huge news. So let's take a look at Bitcoin in the house right now. Get my bidding. So we're seeing that right now. Bitcoin on. Let me get the pop-ups up. Pop-ups. I hate pop-ups, guys. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is trading at $48,402 in the house, guys, and we're still below our 21-day EMA, and our 21-day EMA is around about $52,000 in the house. So we're seeing that, we saw that Bitcoin dropped as low. Let me just went down like 13%. Wow, that was the whole Evergrande scare. We've come up a little bit, and there's also whales manipulating, right? It's whales manipulating, because they dump a little bit of their coins from that they bought on OTC. They put them on spot exchanges, and they just they sell them super low. It creates this whole kind of flash cascade, wick, bang. It takes the whole market down, and then they go in and start buying some of the cheaper Bitcoins right there. So we're seeing this whole Evergrande thing cause a huge 13% flash, but we've come back up since then. So this is looking pretty good, but we're still below the 21-day EMA, guys. So, And if we look at Bitcoin on the daily right now, we're seeing that on the daily chart, yesterday we saw a bit of a flash. It went down, it went down almost, went down 8%. Evergrande there, it came up again, and now we're going back down again. We're down about 5.77%. So right now the Evergrande is still having a 5.77% impact on the markets. This will wash out again. This is the whales are just taking advantage of this. They're scaring the retail investors. But you guys have to stop it. You have to wake up. Smell the coffee, guys. Don't be fooled by the whales, guys. You need to be dollar cost averaging, and you need to be buying the dip. And this is not financial advice, but this is what you guys need to do, because soon we're going to see that Bitcoin is absolutely going to explode to the moon, and it's just a matter of time. So we can see here that Bitcoin is still forming this descending wedge, and it's basically going sideways, guys. It's kind of just range bound. It's range bound between like 52, and we're seeing a low of about 40. If we go here, about 47. So could Bitcoin retest a 42,000 panic zone? Yes, Bitcoin could go as low as a 42,000 panic zone in the house. That absolutely could happen. And that's our panic zone here. When it hits our panic zone, and if Bitcoin does go down to 42, you're going to see Shiba Inu is going to go well below its 33 cent support. You're going to see Dogecoin drop below its 17% support, and it's going to send everything down, down. But even if we get that low, it's not going to spell the end, the bull run, in my opinion. And a lot of the on-chain matrix is saying that it's not over, because just look at the supply of Bitcoin and Ethereum on exchanges. It's super duper low, guys. So this is a telling tale. So let's jump into Ethereum in the house. So let's get rid of this pop-ups. And we can see that Ethereum right now is trading at 4,145, and it's basically got supported at 4,000, and we got a little bit of resistance at 4,200. I'm not going to change this red, because that means I'm just going to have to change it back in a couple hours. But we have resistance right now at 4,200, so we're going to be pretty much range bound between 4,000 and 4,200 all day, all night, guys. So this is very important that we just keep an eye on that. And basically, Bitcoin dominance is super high right now. You can see right here that the Bitcoin dominance is super high. Still, it's at 39%. 0.37. Our market cap is coming down. It's at 2.33. Our volumes are down, and we're seeing right now that we've gone down almost 4%. And we're seeing the Ethereum dominance is also coming up as well, going down as well. Bitcoin dominance is going up, guys. So that being said, let's take a look at we talked about Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at Dogecoin price right now. So Doge on the daily chart right now. Let me just get my face out of there. I'm going to fix up this chart. So right now you can see that Doge is trading at 1706. And if we look at this on the 4-hour chart, you can see that Doge, as I said, is still forming this kind of cuckoo pattern and chart. So basically, Doge is just going in this zigzag, and it's range bound, and it's hitting this low here of 17 cents. And this is a huge support zone, and we really need that Bitcoin needs to start to explode. If we can see that, and I said this over and over again, I keep repeating myself because it's a fact. Doge is basically hugging the 17 cent support level, and we need Bitcoin to start making a major move. If Bitcoin doesn't make a major move, guys, then we're just going to be going sideways all along at 17 cents. But if Bitcoin makes a major move, we could see a huge bounce to the upside to 30 cents, and we've seen this time and time again. So let's take a look at the Shiba Inu, the Shiba Inu in the house right now. So we can see, let me just clean this up. So once again, Shiba Inu is just going sideways right now, and we've got support at 33. We've got overhead resistance at 43. So right now, if we stay above the 33, this is more of a bullish indicator. If we drop down below 33, then this is a bearish indicator. Now we are having some risk right now because you can see Shiba Inu is actually getting to the lower portion of this resistance and support zone, and we could break down. We could absolutely break down. So keep an eye on that. If we do break down below 33, then we're probably going to go to 24 in the house, and then 33 will become overhead resistance, and we're probably going to go sideways. Probably go midway between that channel, and that would be around about 28 in the house. So keep an eye on that. If we do go below that, we do have a risk of breaking down. So it's looking more bearish and bullish right now. I mean, I feel more comfortable if we're just going sideways or we're getting pretty close to this resistance level. So keep an eye on that. It's not looking too good in the house. So let's take a look at the coins in the house right now. So we can see right now, we can see right now that Bitcoin is at 48,000. It's down 3%. That's because the evergrande scare right now. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is down almost 6%. That's because the Bitcoin dominance is really high. So that's not looking good right now for Ethereum, and it's at 41.41. We're seeing BNB is also down 4%. Remember, evergrande took the whole markets down 6%, and that's at 580. We're seeing Solana is down 4.88%. That's 180, about 181 in the house. We're seeing ADA is down once again. It's down 5.43%. Once ADA drops a dollar, I'm buying it. I'm a buyer. So DOT is down again and 5.4%. So this whole Evergrande took all the markets, brought the markets down 6%. So everything's dropping in line with that. What's happening with Luna? Luna has gone down, much more than the market drop. It's at 8%. So it's down about 2% from where the market is. So that's not looking pretty good. I think it's a lot of people just taking profits. We're seeing Doji Woji is only down 3.5%. So that's better than the market. But still, we need Doge to, Doge is just going to be hugging the support line of 17 cents. And we're really going to have to wait till the Bitcoin, the Charles Biddy, starts pumpity pump in the house. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu right now has dropped 3.72%, and that's down at 35 in the house. And we're still just slightly above the 33 support level. So it's looking more bullish than bearish right now. We're seeing avalanches at 90, and that's down 3.53%. So everything is looking pretty bad in the house. Everything's looking negative. The stable coins are positive right now. Sand is positive, so that's 5.28. So guys and gals, don't panic in the house. This is our portfolio. So let's take a look at the portfolio in the house. Remember, this is not financial advice. And guys, smash the like, subscribe. What are you waiting for? And if you're watching the super chat and you want me to notice your comments, guys, give me a super chat and I will definitely answer your questions in the house. So we're still up 73%, and we're still in profit 3,716 in the house, guys. So that's not too bad, not too shy, but we've gone down like 4.73%. We've lost like $400 on the portfolio. So guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, guys. Join the cool crowd, and don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, BYB, guys, and don't forget to do that. And check out all the links. Go to the bottom and description of every video. Check out the linky winks. You want to do it, guys. Check out the linky winkies. and get it, guys. So you'll definitely want to check out the links, guys. And don't forget to go to the Wi-Fi Wi-Fi channel, guys. Check out the Wi-Fi Wi-Fi channel, subscribe over there, and just got some Christmas music playing. So get all fired up, get Christmassy. God bless you, Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo, in the house. I wanna get it. Let's get it, guys. All right, peace.